So today we'll be talking about functions. I have seen that the functions has more of a theory part and you need to learn the theory part or at least understand it before you can start coding. So firstly, that's why I have given the theory part in this section at the beginning, and then now I am starting with the coding part. So I've told you everything about the functions in the theory class. Now the practical side. You remember that I have already showed you the variables contract. In that I had one int, one bool and one string. So I'll tell you how the functions are working out here. And next we'll see a fully grown function coding after some time. So you can see you have to start with the function keyword. The function name, it can be anything, you can give it. So in this I have given as change val, which will change the value. Then public is the visibility, and in this area you have to put the parameters if needed. And then this is the function body. It will take everything you can give it. Okay, so let's see. Now I have also made a string out here. String public my string. Okay, let's give a function for this in which it will take the value from the user, set it, and will return the value. Okay, so first start with the function keyword. Then we can write it as set str. Then the parameter. The parameter can be a simple string. String. Then there is a keyword memory. And then you can name it as a like 2. So over here, string is the data type of the parameter which is incoming. This is where it will be stored. It will be stored in the memory. I'll talk about this storage locations in later video. And this is 2. This is the identifier of this string. So now put it as public, and you can also return stuff out of this. So you should write it as returns. So this will return, and what it will return, which type you have to mention, string memory. Now here we have the function body. Now what it will do, it will actually send the value which has been given to it by the user to my str. So how do we write it? My str will be equal to 2, the latest variable which has been taken from the user. And next return statement, return my str. So this is it, this is done. Let's deploy it. Just a second. Okay, so basically there was a mistake in the syntax of the return statement. The return statement should be used as return, then you put the brackets, and then you write the string or the variable to be returned. Okay, let's deploy it. Deploy. The transaction is pending. Yeah, the transaction is done. Now let's see. Okay, so here we have all the values. Let's check out the string one. So we'll go to my str string and click. So it's not having any value at the moment. So you can see no value. So we will do set string. So we'll write a string out here, and strings are always written with double quotes. So double quote. Let's write free. Then we'll click the function set str. The transaction will go on. Okay, transaction done. Now we'll check the my str. So you can see we have set the new set the variable with the new value which has been given by the user. You can do this with all these functions which we have declared, and we'll be declaring more of them.